why don't you think you will fly? Why don't fly to America? Next 5 years, India will not get doctors in India. I'm telling you this.
Okay.
Because of the aggression by the people. They think that Delhi people, they think that doctors are here to loot off. Doctors can easily fly to America. Instead of 1 lakh rupees per month, they can easily earn 30 lakh rupees per month.
Absolutely.
The government policies which have been made, last year the policies was made, they will train all Ayurvedic and homeopathic and
Unani maybe?
Within 6 months, they will make them equivalent to MBBS. This year the policy came, they will train all of them in surgeons, to surgeons within 6 months.
So within 6 months, the Ayurvedic doctor will be trained?
Will be trained, and then they will give a license to do surgeries. Last year the policy came that all of the Unani doctors will be trained within 6 months, they will be equivalent to MBBS. So do you think that the MBBS and MD doctors will stay in India?
So
they can always fly out.
Absolutely. So my point is that, I mean, that will become too risky for the patient as well. Somebody who has experience for the last 10-15 years will be compared to somebody who will be trained just in 6 months.
Even if I want to learn painting, it cannot be done in 6 months.
Absolutely.
And you're making a person surgeon in 6 months.
Hi guys, I'm Shailendra, and I'm very pleased to introduce you guys to one of the finest, one of the best dermatologists in Delhi. Her name is Dr. Anvika. So over to ma'am. If you could please tell people a bit about you, how you started, and what is the scope of dermatology in India specifically.
All right. So, hi everyone. I'm Dr. Anvika Mittal, and I have been practicing dermatology since last 10 years in Delhi. So, I did my MBBS and MD both from Kasturba Medical College, Manipal University, Karnataka. So, that's how I started in 2000. So, 2000 to 2010. For 10 years, it takes you to become a dermatologist. So, it's 5.5 years is your MBBS, and then 3 years is your post-graduation, that is MD. So, around 10 years journey is there to become a dermatologist. And before that, there is like 11th, 12th, you have to study like anything to clear the entrance exam. So around about 12 years, so year 1998, I started with the dream of becoming a doctor. When I started with MBBS, I didn't know I will take dermatology. But 1998, I started, and 2010, I finished my studies. So that was just the beginning. So when you finish your studies in medical line, that is just the beginning. After that comes an era of when you have to gain experience, when you have to learn lot of things which have not been taught to you in medical college. So after 2010 to 2015, like I was working here and there. So learning all the things. I kept changing jobs every 6 to 8 months because my idea was not to earn from the jobs. My idea was to learn. Learn not the medical part. Of course, the medical part also I had to gain experience. But when you step out of the medical college, then you only know your medical part. That's it. You have to learn management, you have to learn marketing, you have to learn communication skill, you have to learn how do you survive the competition. There are so many other things which you have to learn beyond your medical skills. So because of that, I kept changing jobs in different corporate hospitals, different corporates, laser centers. And after 5 years of experience, I was like, yes, now I can start my own. I like dermatology per se because it's a blend of 3 things. Okay. Medical line, business, and glamour. So it's a blend of 3 things. So it keeps your life exciting.
And then perfect for a beautiful lady, I must say then.
So that's why I chose dermatology. Great. Plus the other reason for choosing dermatology is lifestyle. Like there's no emergency, there are no night duties, and it's all appointment based, it's an office based work. So you have a beautiful lifestyle. Like I work like 5 to 6 hours, and in 5 to 6 hours, I can finish off 100 patients. That's more than enough. Why I have to sit for 12 hours?
Absolutely.
So it's all about management skills. So of course I learned these management skills. So in 5 to 6 hours I can finish 50 to 100 patients. If I have that much of patients, your life is set.
So how the journey has been as a specialist?
As a specialist, it's very, very beautiful, and I still feel like I have just reached 10% of it, and 90% is yet to be covered. Because when I see the other established dermatologist, I see, oh my God. You know,
that's the place where I want to be.
Exactly. So lots is there, but I'm enjoying the journey. So it's okay, the destination is far off, but I'm still enjoying the journey. So I told you, like these 3 things, the combination of these 3 things I enjoy.
That's wonderful.
And learning every day. You have to keep learning every day. There is never an end to it.
Absolutely. So there's something that you have just mentioned just a moment ago, that medicine and as a doctor, it's not about that you notify the people, you take out their money out of their pocket and then you fill your pocket. That's not the case. But because this is something which has been observed across our country, that there are a lot of doctors. There's a saying that one apple can I'm sure that you understand what I mean here.
Okay,
So
yeah.
what is your message to these
Right. So
people?
my message is I'm very, very clear with this. See, in India, because of the media, unfortunately, because of the media and because of the politicians and because of the Bollywood, the image has been portrayed as if this doctor wants to notify. Just tell me one thing I like to ask anybody. If somebody comes to you for help, would you like to notify them? Will you damage anybody's else? Would you like to kill anybody else or damage anybody's face? No, never. The answer will become no, never. I'll never do that to anybody else.
Absolutely.
Then why would a doctor who has studied 10 years would like to do that? And when will I earn more? When I do good to people? Obviously, that person is going to tell 10 other people and going to send it to me. So, and secondly thing, always remember, India, you get the cheapest doctors. I mean, just go around. I'm not comparing it with the other third world countries, but if you compare it with the Europe, America, and with all the Australia and developed countries, Indian doctors are way cheaper.
Absolutely.
Yesterday only I was having a talk. Oh my God, that guy used to sell stents.
Okay.
He said, now the capping has been done on the stents. We cannot sell beyond 30,000 rupees. But the doctors are still charging 2 lakh rupees for angioplasty operations and all that. So I
It's a
said,
huge amount.
no, so I said, exactly. Your answer is huge amount. Do you know what angioplasty, what it takes to be a cardiothoracic surgeon? And 2 lakhs is nothing compared to what other countries charge, all developed countries.
Absolutely.
Nothing less than, 15 to 25 lakhs for such a surgery. You were getting it for 1 to 2 lakhs in India. And it's not that Indian doctors have studied less. It's the medical books are universal all over the world. Let me repeat this. The medical books are universal all over the world. So the course curriculum is not different from India to America or to London or Australia. It's similar. In fact, Indian doctors have much more experience because when we work in a government hospital, we have to see 300 patients per day. Compared to an American doctor who will be seeing only 10-15 patients per day.
Absolutely.
True. So the amount of effort to become a doctor is similar. The amount of experience is much more. Still, what you get is so cheaper compared to what you are getting in other countries. Please keep this thing in mind. You get the appointment with a specialist within an hour of calling.
Absolutely.
You go to America, you go to all the developed countries, they will not get a specialist appointment for less than 3 months. So I keep getting calls from my friends who are in America and all that. My friend has this problem. The dermatologist appointment will be given after 2.5 months.
So why don't you fly to America and then treat the patient? It's like, that's
a altogether different discussion. But what Indians think, Indian doctors are here to lutify. If you just throw the impression which has been made by the politicians, the media, and the Bollywood.
Okay.
If you just throw that out, and if you really see the reality, you will see that Indian doctors are much more experienced, much more cheaper. The medical tourism is flourishing in India like anything. The people from all across the world are traveling to India, and then somehow it is like people just want to go to the best of the corporate hospitals. I don't want to name them.
Okay.
The owner of those corporate hospitals are openly shrieking, we are here only for business.
True.
Why you have to go? Why you have to see the whole medical fraternity through their lens of the corporate hospital? Corporate hospital, the biggest of the corporate hospital, not all. The biggest of the corporate hospital, they are here to notify you only, but you also have to go there only.
True.
True. And they constitute only 1% of the medical fraternity of India. Just forget those biggest of the corporate hospitals. If you compare the 99% of the rest, you will not find all these things. The patient came and straight away the stent was put in and the wrong surgery was done to make money. Nothing of this sort is being done anywhere in India, except maybe for the few corporate hospitals. And why are you comparing that 1% with the rest of the 99%? So please try to understand, Indian doctors are more experienced and they are much more cheaper than the rest of the world. The medical tourism all over the world, people are coming to Indian doctors. I think 55% of the American doctors are Indians.
Absolutely. Now, this is the recent survey which
I tell you, my friends, if I do a job in India in a government hospital, I'll get around 1 lakh rupees.
Okay.
My friends who are working in American hospital, they get 30 lakh rupees per month. Okay, can you see the scenario? Can you just even compare the amount of money which is being paid to Indian doctors compared to this?
Absolutely.
And as you ask me this question now, why don't you think you will fly, why don't you fly to America? Next 5 years, India will not get doctors in India. I'm telling you this.
Okay.
Because of the aggression by the people. Okay. They think that daily people, they think that doctors are here to lutify. Doctors can easily fly to America. Instead of 1 lakh rupees per month, they can easily earn 30 lakh rupees per month.
Absolutely.
The government policies which have been made, last year the policies was made, they will train all Ayurvedic and homeopathic and
Unani maybe?
Within 6 months, they will make them equivalent to MBBS. This year the policy came, they will train all of them in surgeons, to surgeons within 6 months.
So within 6 months, the Ayurvedic doctor will be trained.
Will be trained, and then they will give a license to do surgeries. Last year the policy came that all of the Unani doctors will be trained within 6 months, they will be equivalent to MBBS. So do you think that the MBBS and MD doctors will stay in India?
So
They can always
that's
fly out.
absolutely. So my point is that I mean that will become too risky for the patient as well. Somebody
I
who has
don't know what they are
experience for
doing.
the last 10-15 years will be compared to somebody who will be trained just in 6 months.
Even if I want to learn painting, it cannot be done in 6 months.
Absolutely.
And you're making a person surgeon in 6 months. So that's, I don't know what's happening. So anyways, if this scenario continues, if this mentality continues with the Indian people,
Okay.
doctors are ludofying them. Doctors are, anybody who has invested 10 years in studies, they cannot ludofy you. And let me tell you, it's not just studies.
Okay.
Just spend 48 hours with any doctor. We have to do 36-hour duties every second day.
Okay.
Throughout post-graduation, and 36 hours duty mean 36 hours. 36 hours doesn't mean you are sitting and drinking tea and coffee and all that. 36 hours
That's a
means
core-
on your
core.
toes.
Okay.
After 12 hours continuous work, any person will just faint. They will like, I can't work.
True.
And
true.
doctors have to work 36 hours continuously every second day. So that is like your beyond human capacity.
That's one of
And
the
then you
biggest
say
tasks.
these people will notify you for money. They can, for this much of hard work, they can, if they do this much of hard work in any other business, they'll earn so much.
Absolutely.
So it's
absolutely.
just love for the medicine that they are staying in this profession. It's just love for the country that they are staying in this country, so they can easily fly to other country. Last 5 years, there's so much of this thing. The people going to abroad,
Okay.
the medical fraternity.
Yeah.
The moment they finish their MBBS, they're out of India.
I have few friends.
In
they have.
UP, they just made this law. Anybody who finishes their MD for
Okay.
10 years, they have to work in government setup. Otherwise, they
And
have to
that's a
pay 1
mandate?
crore to the government.
That's a mandate in UP.
That is a mandate. That has been made by the government.
Okay. What is your opinion on that? I mean, that's
Okay,
a
fine.
brilliant
If-
point that you have shared.
Why only medical fraternity have to work for the government for 10 years?
Okay.
Why not IIT engineers? Why
That
not
has
the
to be
bank
there.
officer? Why not the engineer? Does the country need only doctors?
True.
If
true,
you're
true.
really making this rule and if you really think the country needs it,
Mhm.
let it be universal. Then country needs everything else also.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
what is this that you have to work in 10 years for the government, that thing, in the government hospital, else you pay 1 crore to the government. I mean, what sort of
That's-
rules are being made in
that
this
has to
country?
be universal.
And then you think
Hmm.
doctors have the option to fly to Canada. It
Okay.
will just take me one and a half years maximum for the whole process to get their license and everything. And
Right.
I'll be earning 30 lakhs per month. Why
True.
do you think the Indian doctors will stay in India with these laws being made, with such harsh attitude of people towards Indian doctors? Like, the important, 2 lakhs for the surgery, it's too much.
That's too much. People, those who are watching this interview right now, guys, you got to learn a lot of things. You got to know a lot of things. It is not because of doctors. It is because of the political agenda. It is because of the Bollywood. Whatever has been portrayed about doctors, that's all rubbish. That's all fake. You should believe to doctors. You should look at the doctors from doctors lens. Do not look at doctors or this profession based on whatever you have seen in newspapers or whatever you have seen in the movies. So ma'am, what is your opinion? So what is the future of entire this MBBS, since we are talking about this, since you mentioned that people are moving to the other countries? What is the future of
MBBS
is this in India?
No. Yeah, in India only I'm particularly
Yeah.
talking about. So MBBS seats are being filled. The craze is still there to become doctor.
Absolutely.
So that
Absolutely.
craze
there.
is still there, because I was just talking to some guy who's coaching institute and he says it's like $1 billion business to coach. People are mad
Right.
to get into MBBS. I'm like,
True.
still they're mad to get into MBBS. He said, yeah. So MBBS seats will be filled. But
Right.
after MBBS, post MBBS,
Hmm.
I don't think so the people will stay in India. The doctors would stay in India.
Doctor would stay in
The
India.
last 5 years only I have seen this thing. The moment they
And-
finish the MBBS,
And that is because of the policies that we have here now.
one is because of the policies.
Okay.
Second is because of the wrong image of the doctor in the people's,
Right.
in general public's mind.
Right.
I'm not a cardiothoracic surgeon, but I know what it takes to be a cardiothoracic surgeon, and I am telling that guy is being very cheap when he's charging that
Right.
much. And thirdly, third reason is that is nobody's fault actually.
Okay.
People don't understand the medical things.
Okay.
In the sense, like I try to explain people, mother and father both wants the best for their child. The mother says, I'll keep the child at home and
Right.
I'll give all the cultural values to the child.
True.
The father says, no, I'll send him to British boarding school.
Okay.
Both are totally different scenario. One is saying I'll keep at home, one is saying I'll throw the child out of the home. Both want the same target, best
Absolutely.
for the child.
Right.
Same happens when people come to me, oh, you are telling surgery, the other person didn't tell surgery, or that person didn't tell surgery, you are telling surgery. That's okay. That's based on experience.
Absolutely.
So that's based on experience. Both the target of your health can be achieved maybe with surgery, maybe without surgery.
True.
And both the doctors have different experience. So don't doubt their intention. So one is that thing. So people don't understand that both doctors were correct in their own ways.
Absolutely.
So don't doubt their intention just because one doctor said something and one doctor said another thing. So as a layman, I can understand that. I will also start doubting a doctor. If one doctor says something else and one doctor says something else.
True.
But try to see it from other perspective. Two business partner. One say we will strike this deal. One says I will not strike this deal with this person. They both want the best for the business, but they have a different road to follow.
True.
They have a different opinion. So
Absolutely.
that way, even doctors can have different opinion. Different opinion doesn't mean wrong intentions. This is the message I want to convey, because you do not understand why surgical way is also correct and non-surgical way is also correct.
True.
It is just a different opinion.